simplify. R to the power of 2 minus 9 over R to the power of 3 minus 21 divided by R squared plus 6R plus 9 over R squared plus 3R plus 9. We need to change the division to multiplication and keep the first fraction as is and write the reciprocal of the second fraction. So we have R squared plus 3R plus 9 over R squared plus 6R plus 9 for the second fraction. I'm going to factor the first fraction. R squared minus 9 would be R minus 3 times R plus 3, difference of squares. And here I have R cubed minus 27. This is the difference of cubed. A cubed minus B cubed is equal to, you need to know how to factor this. That would be A minus B, and the second parenthesis would be A squared plus AB plus B squared. We need to remember this formula. A cubed minus B cubed would be A minus B times A squared plus AB plus B squared. If I have sum of cubed, the only difference would be the first parenthesis would be A plus B, and the sign in the second parenthesis alter between plus and minuses, so it would be minus AB. So in this case I would have R minus 3 times the first term square would be R squared plus the product of these two would be 3R, then would be plus the second term square would be 9. As you see here, R squared plus 3R plus 9 would reduces R squared plus 3R plus 9 at the top of the fraction here. So this was a prime, it's not factorable. And also we can see that R squared plus 6R plus 9 can be factored. So R and R, and for 9 would be 3 and 3. So it would be R plus 3 times R plus 3, and then here we can reduce R plus 3 as well as R minus 3. So we end up with 1 at the top of the fraction, 1 over, and at the bottom of the fraction we only get R plus 3. So the 1 over R plus 3. So for this problem, you need to know how to factor difference and sum of cubed. So if you have A cubed plus B cubed, or you have A cubed minus B cubed, you can open two parentheses like that. In the first parentheses, we would have A and B for both of them. In the second parentheses, the first term would be always a square, would be A squared, and the middle term always would be the product of these two terms, AB, and the last term would be B squared. Now the sign, if we have sum of cubed, would be the first parenthesis would be A plus B. If you have a difference of cubed, the first parenthesis would be A minus B. If the sign is minus, all the sign in the second parenthesis would be positive. If the sign here is plus, then the sign alter between plus and minuses would be plus, minus, plus. So I can remember factoring the difference of cubed and sum of cubed.